The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own fleeting trend to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and immense exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. Bitcoin Money Specialized Examination, Grasping the Nitty-Gritties. A profound infiltration into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover, regardless of having large future outcomes. Additionally, potential and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, hence, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of patching up to show greater readiness, rolling out extremist improvements to the task's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw cost drop from that astounding level today radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. Bitcoin money expectation. Being perhaps of the most established player in the digital money market, Bitcoin money value. The posterity of Bitcoin has acquired confided in believability among big business organizations. Its convention-certifiable applications have additionally covered different significant classes that undertaking organizations might actually be keen on. What's more, Bitcoin money's enormous local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention enhancements, could be considered by big business organizations as an innovative advantage. Combining patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Bitcoin money expectation and show it might go on an inspirational perspective. This incorporates both least cost and most extreme cost. As indicated by Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $515.84 as most extreme cost in 1 year. As per the key investigation and cost gauge, regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost forecasts that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up somewhat lower, say by 2023 $378. A ton of Bitcoin money gauge improvements will go in 5 years in the long haul. In any case, its future exhibition will no doubt be connected with Bitcoin's presentation. Consequently, an inside and out bullish expectation of $58.91 toward the finish of 2025. As per Bitcoin money cost conjecture, toward the finish of 2022, the greatest cost of Bitcoin money forecast will be $374.55, with good faith posing a potential threat in the approaching following couple of years between $802.57 minus $937.95. Bitcoin money value expectations, 2022 to 2026. The Bitcoin Cash digital money market is exceptionally unpredictable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of variables like guidelines, contest, the development of new tech, market feelings, and so forth. There are a few expectations given by crypto merchants, devotees, or even crypto determining sites on how Bitcoin money value gauge would act from here on out. However, Bitcoin money needed to put forth a huge attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currency. It isn't long that it would beat during the year 2022. A large portion of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't hypnotize the brokers by the same token. Nonetheless, the consistency which Bitcoin money cost conjecture has attempted to show is in itself a novel element to discuss. Its contribution in different bold ventures has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. Bitcoin money cost today is exchanging around $385 with a coursing supply of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $7,322,287,628. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as induced by specialists. All the more significantly, the task is doing a ton on the development and improvement front, clarifying that Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into blankness. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other digital money world with the likenesses and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. As indicated by Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation 2022, conquering the pandemic will assist with doing a great deal for the market feeling of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a momentary expectation whether the Bitcoin money value estimate will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear is that there's a reason to have hope without a doubt. In the primary portion of the Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as greatest cost in the last part. The BCH value swings will keep on showing a positive pattern and recover $550 mark according to our Bitcoin money cost expectation from January 2022. As of now, Bitcoin Cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general opinion for digital currencies throughout the following months. The Bitcoin money cost estimate is refreshed on everyday schedule. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every several years. In the primary portion of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as most extreme cost in the last part. Soon, possible, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for heightened, particularly with rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight misfortune. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will manage the crypto market with a presentation of cost fixed around $730 in the long term in the principal half of 2024. The Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $680 and $720 as most extreme cost in the last part. Bitcoin money can possibly maintain and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances according to our BCH cost expectation. There will be a radical change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money be actually worth 10-100x more than its until recently all-time